In the heart of Muramvya, Burundi, countless children grow up without access to books, the internet, or even a safe place to study. Many dream of learning, but without resources, opportunities remain out of reach. At NCDP Niragira Community Development Project, we are changing that. We've already begun building a community library that will serve as a beacon of hope for children and families. As you can see from our photos and videos, the structure is rising, but to complete it, we need your support.
My name is Ken. I am a student. I am so happy to see the library at Bihororo.
Hello people, hello. My name is Berit. I am a student and I am glad to see that library at Masango.
This library will provide a safe and quiet place for children to study and do homework, access to books and learning resources that open new worlds of knowledge, computers and internet access so children can learn digital skills, literacy programs to help children learn how to read and build confidence, a space for workshops and community learning activities. Your donation will help us finish construction of the building, furnish the library with tables, chairs, and shelves, buy books and educational materials, provide computers and internet access, create a warm, welcoming space where every child feels inspired to learn.
We need more help in order to buy the books, chairs, and to finish the building.
My name is Berit. I am glad to see that the library as we have the internet, but we need a support for buying the equipment and to finish the construction.
Why this matters? Education is the key to breaking cycles of poverty. By finishing this library, we're not just building walls, we're building futures. Every child deserves a chance to dream bigger, learn more, and create a better tomorrow. How you can help? Donate what you can. No amount is too small. Share our campaign with friends, family, and networks. Be part of a project that gives children the tools they need to succeed. Together, we can open the doors of opportunity for children in Muramvya. Thank you for helping us bring this vision to life. Donate today and help us finish the library that will change lives for generations.
We need your support. Bye-bye.